So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make money with affiliate marketing using YouTube. Now, when most people get started with YouTube, they're only thinking about earning with AdSense money. Now, to get AdSense money, one, your channel has to be monetized, and sometimes, depending on your channel, that may take a few weeks, a few months. Sometimes it's actually taking people up to a year or more to get monetized with their YouTube channel. So in the meantime, while you're waiting to get approved for the AdSense program, you can use affiliate marketing to actually start to earn commissions a lot sooner with the content that you're creating on your YouTube channel. Now, even though you might have the opportunity to start earning with AdSense, that's not the most reliable way to earn with your YouTube channel. There are so many things that could happen. Some of your videos can start decreasing in views, and from that, you can start earning less with some of your videos. Your channel can get demonetized, and that's like the worst thing that could happen. But if that happens, that means all that AdSense money is gone. So with all that content that you're creating on your YouTube channel, you want to make sure that you have multiple ways that you're actually earning. And like I said, in this video, I'm going to share with you one way that you can do that, and that's again with affiliate marketing. Also, what I'm going to share with you in this video are 2 ways that you can do affiliate marketing. I'm going to share with you a few examples of people actually doing this on YouTube, so that way you can get a good idea and choose the one that's really going to be best for you. Now, with affiliate marketing, this is a great way for you to go ahead and start getting paid a lot faster from your YouTube channel than waiting to get monetized. Now, when we always hear about people getting monetized, some people can do this in a month. Sometimes it's taking people several months, even a year before they even start to earn from AdSense with their channel. So this is where affiliate marketing comes in. This is where you can start earning some income, and you can actually start seeing commissions from affiliate marketing a lot sooner than AdSense commissions. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's simply where you are marketing another company's products or services, and when you join these programs, you will actually get a link, an affiliate link that is tracked to you. So anytime somebody clicks on that link and they actually make a sale, it'll be tracked to you, and then when you make a successful sale, of course, you will earn a commission. So for example, I am an affiliate for Shopify, and on my channel I have done several videos where I talk about how to get started with Shopify and things like that. So if somebody wants to get started and they need to go ahead and set up their store, I always prefer people to go underneath my video where I actually have my affiliate link to the Shopify partner program, and if they actually click on that link and start up a store with Shopify, I earn a commission. So I have been earning thousands of dollars in commissions from Shopify since about 2015, because of these video tutorials that I have on YouTube. So that's what you'll be doing. That's one of the ways you can actually use affiliate marketing on YouTube to earn. And I will dive into this a little bit further in the video. So some affiliate programs actually pay me out my commissions once I have gotten a completed successful sale through my link. One that I actually had to renew on yesterday, they actually paid me $15 per free trial. So every affiliate program is different. Again, you'll get all that information when you actually sign up for the program. Also, another way that affiliate programs are different is the actual payouts or the commissions. So some affiliate programs, they'll only pay out 20-30%. Some of them actually pay out 50-70% or more. And for me, I typically promote digital products because I had the opportunity to earn more commissions, more like 50% commissions, and sometimes above that. So since I promote digital products, I typically use sites like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank. I also promote high ticket affiliate programs as well. That's typically where you're earning like $500 in commissions or more. And then also I am an affiliate for the tools that I use to run my business. So for me, I need to have landing page software, I need to have email marketing software and things like that to run my business. So if I'm using these products every day to run my business, of course I'm going to become an affiliate for it, because when I talk about these things on my channel or inside of my Facebook group and things like that, I want people to actually use the things that I use in my business to help me be successful, so that way they can be successful too, right? Now, most affiliate programs are free to join, so mostly you'll just go to their website, and if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll typically see a link that says join our affiliate program or become a partner or something like that. You'll just click on that link, submit any information that they're asking for, and you are a member of the affiliate program. So once you have become an affiliate for that program, you will get an affiliate link that is tracked to you, and that's going to be the link that you want to include on YouTube, so that way if people are interested in whatever it is that you're offering, they can just click on that link, and if you get a sale, of course, it's tracked back to you. So whatever niche that you're in with your YouTube channel, those are going to be the type of affiliate programs that you want to look for. So you can simply just go to Google, put in health and fitness affiliate programs or something like that, and you can actually start seeing some results of things that you can actually promote on your channel. Now, you just don't want to put things on there just randomly because you just want to make some money. Make sure it makes sense. Make sure it's things that people can get use of that will actually benefit your audience. And then even more importantly, if there are things that you actually have used or you're using in your business or whatever it is, you can become an affiliate for that program, and then you can also talk about that on your YouTube channel. Let people know that you actually use these products, what they can do, and you can include those links in the description box below your video. Now, with saying that, you also want to make sure while you're doing your videos, you tell people that your affiliate links are in the description box below the video, because if you don't tell them, they have no idea to actually go down there to look for an affiliate link. So if you're going to be promoting affiliate marketing products on your channel, you must make sure that you say at least 1 or 2 times in the video that people can actually go to your affiliate link in the description box below the video. Also, while you're promoting affiliate products on your channel, you want to make sure in the description box of the video you include affiliate disclosures. I include them in every one of my videos, and you want to make sure that you're doing that as well. It is very important. So as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, there are 2 ways that I want to share with you that you can do affiliate marketing with YouTube. So both ways definitely work. The second way is going to be the better option because it will actually get you long-term results with your YouTube channel. So the first way is through direct linking. So this is typically where on YouTube people actually do a review or promote a product or something like that, and they'll actually put the direct link to their affiliate program in the description box below the video. So for an example, this is one of my favorite YouTubers, Monroe Steele, and she is a fashion blogger, and on her YouTube channel she talks about fashion and new different clothing hauls that she has done. And if people are interested in any of the things that she is talking about in her video, in her description box below her videos, she actually includes links where people can actually purchase those products from different clothing stores and things like that, and that's how she's able to earn commissions. So this is something that I do, especially with one of my Shopify videos, where I actually talk about Shopify, how to get started, and if they actually want to get started and open up a store, they can click on that link. It will take them directly to Shopify, where they can actually go ahead, get the free trial, and open up their store and start selling stuff, pretty much, right? But then the second option, which is going to be the better option, and this is something that you definitely want to work up to, is building up an email list. Now, the reason why you want to do this is because most people, even when they're watching your review on YouTube, only 2% of people actually buy something the first time they see it. You have to show people things over and over again, at least 7 to 12 times before they take some type of action. Now, that action could be to buy something from you or not to buy something from you. But the key is you have to keep exposing people to your product or whatever it is that you're selling in order to generate a sale. So what you can do is you can create your YouTube videos where you're doing a video review, and you can tell people that if they want more information on how to do something, or they want to get a free PDF or a free training on how to get started with whatever it is that you're promoting, whatever it is, tell them to click on the link in the description box below your video, and it'll actually take them to an opt-in page. Now with this opt-in page, this is where you're going to actually give them something for free in exchange to get their email address. Now the reason why you want to collect people's email address again is because only 2% of people actually purchase something. So for us to continue to put our products and services in front of them that we want them to buy, we can do this through email marketing. So now that you have their email address, you can send them emails every single day or every other day, letting them know about the product, the benefits of the product, and everything else. And the more times they see it, the more they may get interested in purchasing that product. And that's how you're going to be able to have long-term success, because while you're building up your email list, you can continue to email them over the next few days, the next few weeks, months, or even years about your products and services. So this is going to be the better option for you when you are doing affiliate marketing on YouTube. You want to use your content in order to build up an email list, so that way you already have an audience of people in addition to your YouTube audience that you can promote products to. You can wake up in the morning, send out an email blast where you're talking about a new product, and because people are on your email list and they have built that relationship with you through your emails and your YouTube channel, they're more likely to buy. So for an example, in this video, I'm just doing a review of one of the products that I'm an affiliate for, called 12-Minute Affiliate. And if people want to go ahead and join this program after seeing my review, they can go to the link in the description box below the video. It will take them to my opt-in page. And for them to actually see the free video of the business model that helped me to replace my 9-to-5 job, they will actually have to insert their email address. And once they have submitted their email address, they'll actually get access to that video, and then they can learn more about that particular business model, that program, and if they get started, I earn commissions. Now understand that when you get started with affiliate marketing on YouTube, it's not an overnight thing. You do have to consistently put out content, and you want to make sure that your content is relative to the things that you are linking in your description box below the video. And by you putting out content consistently and valuable information, people start to develop a relationship with you. They build that know, like, and trust factor with you. So whenever you recommend things inside of your videos, they're more likely to purchase from you. So in this video, I share with you how you can make money with affiliate marketing using your YouTube channel. Now, if you want to know how I'm actually making money online, just go ahead and click on that link in the description box below this video. Also, if you have any questions about anything that I covered in this video, make sure you leave a comment below and let me know where in the world you are watching from. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.